everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's makeup is going to be on the girl next door look. Since summer is coming up, I wanted to do something sweet and youthful, something you could see yourself wearing in past summers spent with friends, riding bikes around the neighborhood park. The girl next door look is about simplicity and effortlessness, so if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. First, I'm filling in my brows with hair-like strokes. Next, I'm priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Dipping into the Sweet Peach palette, I'm using a mixture of white peach and peaches and cream to set my lids. To warm up the eyes, I'm applying puree to the outer corner. I'm creating a soft wing with the shade Charmed, I'm Sure. I'm going over the wing several times with varying shades of brown to create a gradient effect. The bottom of the wing should be a dark brown and the top of the wing should be a lighter brown. Next, I'm curling my lashes and applying mascara. I'm applying falsies underneath my natural lashes. Moving on to the face, I'm gonna prime using the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. Next, I'm applying a mixture of the Born This Way foundation and the MAC Pro Longwear foundation to the areas I would normally conceal. For contour, I'm first using this relatively cool-toned bronzer around my face. And then I'm dipping into a darker contour shade to add more dimension. This is my new favorite blush, the Too Faced Love Blush in Baby Love. Make sure you apply this with a big fluffy brush so it's easier to blend out evenly. Using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, I'm going to lightly set my face. I'm using White Peach as a matte highlighter. This gives the contouring effect of a highlighter but looks more natural since there isn't any shimmer. Moving on to lips, I'm first lining my lips with NYX's Peekaboo Neutral Lip Pencil. I'm lining the edges and blending it out. On the center, I'm applying a subtle pink shade. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. This is a pretty simple look, but I think it's still cute and very wearable. If you did like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked me, remember to follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video.